So I'm back again, and I've had the ceiling fan on, which is right here, and I've moved the hides slightly. One hide is right here, and the other hide is now down here between the frame, the two frames of the closet here. So the oscillating fan is off, and we just have the ceiling fan on here. So the sun has moved a little bit during the time that we've been doing this, so now it's coming over this way a little bit. It sets off in that direction. So the room has cooled ever so slightly because the sun is really coming in probably in just one window right now. So let me get my girl out. One at a time. One at a time there, buddy. Okay. Find it. Good. Good. Over here. Good girl. Excellent. Oh, good for you. Okay, so let's go find another one. So this is a little bit of a trickier hide because it's sort of tucked away in the frame of the door. She definitely is catching odor, but it is accessible. She can certainly access that tin. Interesting how she is kind of showing me where the odor may be going. There's a crate over here to my left, and I'm wondering if the ceiling fan, which is pushing the air down, by the way, if it isn't pushing it there you go, girl. Excellent. That was hard. Yes, it was. Good job. Okay, let's put you out on the porch again. And I will reset this hide for my boy. In case you're wondering, my girl is 10 years old, and my boy is 5 and a half. He will be 6 in June. So, okay, you come over here. Wait a second. There you go. Okay, find it. As a matter of fact, just where I'm standing, I can feel a lot of air. So I think it's probably hitting the doors and pushing it over this way. So we're seeing a lot of interest that both dogs gave us, indicating that there is something going on above their head. A good boy. Wow, you did a good job there. Good boy. Okay, can you find another one? A lot of heavy sniffing going on. Same areas where she was sniffing. Good job for you. Excellent boy. Nice job. Excellent. Good job. Good boy. Come on. Good. Okay, so I will reset shortly, and then I will be back.